Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about series parallel combination of resistance using Western bridge. So first we talk about series combination. So I will explain how to join the circuit. First we take a wire from positive terminal of battery to Western bridge A point. Then the negative point goes to key and key goes to rheostat, and the rheostat goes to C point of Western bridge. Between P and Q, resistance box should be connected. Galvanometer between M point, connect the resistance, and the resistance goes to series combination with other resistance, and the other resistance point goes to N. And then one terminal of galvanometer connect to B and other terminal connect to jockey. So here you learn that how to connect the series combination resistance using Western bridge. Now we take the readings. First of all, you have to remove key from key box. Then start the battery limiter. You must remember that the resistance of rheostat must be high. Then close the key and apply some voltage. I have applied 2 voltage. Now remove the resistance from resistance box, for which you have to take reading. So I removed 2 ohm. Now let's take the reading. Here you can see where I touch the jockey, the galvanometer shows some reading. You have to find the null point of galvanometer, where galvanometer shows the 0. Here you can see that galvanometer shows the 0 reading. So we have to take reading of length. For 0 reading, galvanometer show the length L1 is 21.8 centimeter. So to find the L2, minus the 21.8 centimeter from 100, then you get the L1 dash or L2. Now repeat the same procedure for 3 ohm. So we have to remove 3 ohm from the resistance box. For that, you can see there the galvanometer shows some readings, so you have to find null point. So here still galvanometer shows some reading. Now here you can see that galvanometer show the 0 reading. What's the length? The length is 35.4. Yes, the length L1 is 35.4. So to find L2, minus 35.4 from 100. Now we take the reading for 4 ohm. So remove extra 2 ohm. 2 plus 2, 4. Repeat the same procedure. Here galvanometer shows the 0 reading. You can see that length L1 is 37.5. So to find the L2, minus 37.5 centimeter from 100 centimeter. Here we complete the experiment for 2, 3 and 4 ohm. So एक नज़र हम ऑब्जर्वेशन टेबल्स पे डालते हैं। So for 2 ohm we get the L1 21.80, and to get the L2 we have to subtract 21.80 from 100. So L2 is 78.20. Now by applying formula to find the unknown resistance, formula is R equal to R3 into L1 divided by L2. So we get the 0.55 ohms. Here similarly you can get the unknown resistance for 3 ohm and 4 ohms. To find average unknown resistance, you have to add unknown resistance, all of them. First is 0.55, second is 1.64, and third one is 2.4 ohm. Now after adding the 3 value, you have to divide by 3 because there are total 3 readings which we have taken. So you will get average unknown resistance 1.53 ohm. Now come to parallel combination. Here you can see that all the connection of parallel combination are same as series combination except this parallel combination. To connect in parallel, you must connect the both first terminal of resistance wire to point M and both second terminal of resistance wire to point N. Remaining all the connection are same. As the positive terminal of battery emitter goes to A point of Wheatstone bridge and the negative point of emitter goes to key, and key goes to rheostat, and rheostat goes to C point of Wheatstone bridge. Now between P and Q resistance box should be connected. Once again between M and N point, first terminal of resistance wire connect to point M and the second terminal of both resistance wire connect to point N. And galvanometer should be connect to point B and the other terminal connect to jockey. Let's start the experiment. So first start the battery emitter. You must remember that the resistance of rheostat must be high. So remove for 2 ohms. First we take reading for 2 ohms. Now repeat the same procedure as we done in series combination. Now here we get the null point of galvanometer, that is 0 reading of galvanometer. So L1 is 3.7 centimeter. Yes, 3.7 centimeter. To find the L2, we have to subtract 3.7 centimeter from 100 centimeter. Now for 3 ohm, we will repeat the same procedure. Here you can see that galvanometer show the maximum deflection. So I slightly take jockey to other side where the deflection decrease. So here you can see that the galvanometer show the null point, that is 0 reading. Yes. Now we get the 0 reading. For length 6 centimeter. Yes, for length 6 centimeter we get the 0 reading. To find L2 we have to subtract 6 centimeter from 100 centimeter. Now we take the same procedure for 4 ohms. Here you can see that galvanometer shows the maximum deflection. Now the deflection is decreasing. Yes, we got the null point. Now the galvanometer shows the 0 reading. For length L1 equal to 4.7 centimeter. To find L2, subtract 4.7 centimeter from 100 centimeter. Thus we complete the experiment for parallel combination. Now take a look for observation table. Here you can see that for resistance 2 ohm we get the L1 3.70 and get the L2 by subtracting it from 100 centimeter. Now to find unknown resistance we apply the formula, so we get the 0.08 ohm. Similarly we get the unknown resistance for 3 ohm and 4 ohm, and the average value is 0.15 ohm. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share.